In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or delete a staff or admin user from your Shopify store. This is an important task that you might need to perform if you're managing permissions within your store, especially when roles or team structures change. So, let's dive in and go through the process step by step to ensure everything is clear and straightforward. First things first, it's crucial to note that you must either be the store owner or have the necessary permissions to manage user accounts in your Shopify store. This is a security feature that ensures only authorized personnel can make changes to your team's access. So, begin by logging into your Shopify admin with your account that holds these necessary permissions. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate over to the Settings section of your Shopify admin. You'll find this in the lower left corner of the dashboard. Click on it, and it will open up various options. What you're looking for is typically labeled as Users and Permissions. Depending on your specific store configuration, it might also appear as Users and Roles or Staff Accounts. Go ahead and click on this to access the list of all the users associated with your store. Now, you'll see a list of everyone who has access to your store. Scroll through this list or use the search functionality, if available, to find the specific user that you want to remove. Once you've located the user, click on their name to enter their account details page. This page displays all their information and permissions, providing you with an overview of their current role in your store. On this user's details page, look for an option that says something like Remove User, Remove Staff, or Delete Staff. This wording can vary slightly depending on any updates or changes with the Shopify interface. Once you've located the correct option, click on it. This action will usually prompt Shopify to ask for confirmation. This is a precautionary measure, as removing a user is a permanent action. At this point, Shopify might ask you to enter your own password to confirm the removal. This is another layer of security to make sure that the action is intentional and authorized by someone with sufficient access rights. Go ahead and enter your password and confirm the removal. Once you've confirmed all the prompts, that user, whether a staff or admin account, will be permanently removed from your Shopify store. They will no longer have the ability to log in or make any changes. It's as simple as that. Removing a user from your Shopify store is a straightforward process, but always be cautious and ensure you're removing the correct account to prevent any unintended disruptions. That's all for today's guide on managing staff access within your Shopify environment. Thank you for watching, and be sure to manage your permissions carefully for the security and smooth operation of your business.